I'm Cole Conlon, and I'm going to be explaining Group 18's project to you guys. We start by dropping a marble down through here, down this track. The marble rolls down and ends up knocking this foosball off a little ridge here. It comes down and then knocks this marble off the cardboard, which is attached to this piece of copper wire, then this piece of string, and swings it down to knock off this Imperial Star Destroyer. The Imperial Star Destroyer slides down this piece of fishing line and knocks over this marble. When the marble falls, it raises this piece of cardboard and reveals Yoda's wisdom. The marble then lands in there, and this piece of wood has a piece of fishing line attached to it, which runs along these nails, along the edge of the board. And the piece of fishing line, when it pulls, it releases this and lets go a bunch of marbles, which represent the pod race. So the marbles come down the track, and they end up falling in this beer can, which is just hanging here, and it's by this piece of fishing line. The piece of fishing line runs up over here and to the back of this piece of wood. This piece of wood then tips like so and drops this domino, which represents the bounty hunter, into the Zarlak pit. When it falls, it lands on this piece of cardboard, this little flap here. There's marbles under it, so when it compresses, it kicks the marbles out down this little track. The marbles then release this mouse trap, which has a piece of fishing line attached to it. When the mouse trap's set, the fishing line is pulled tight, and it pulls back on these elastic bands. The elastic band, when it releases, it shoots these, which represents arrows for firing on Ewoks fire on stormtroopers. These dominoes fall down, knock over this ball. The ball falls into these cups and rolls down and knocks this ball, or this big marble, which is attached to this piece of string. When it falls, this guy raises, and also this washer touches this screw. The washer is attached to a piece of wire, and this screw is attached to a piece of wire. And as you see, it comes down and starts up a Star Wars fight, or the lightsaber fight, Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader. When the ball lands in this pulley system, or lands in here, it sets off a pulley system, which releases, I think we had 2 marbles in here. They roll down this track, they come, and they end up pushing this off the tin foil, and it opens up the circuit and stops the Star Wars fight. This then falls through, knocks over the dominoes. This domino tower falls, and this domino releases this. There's a marble placed here, and it comes down the track, rolls down the track, lands in here, and knocks over this domino covered in tin foil. The domino covered in tin foil then completes the circuit, starts up an electric motor, which raises this Death Star to the top, and it crashes into here, which represents destroying the Death Star.
Nope.